Are you thinking of moving to or around the San Antonio, Texas area? Well, in this video, we're going to take you on a property tour of a home I just listed in Cibolo Canyons. That's right, Cibolo Canyons. This is a sought-out location within the San Antonio, Texas area. Let's get started right now. Good day and welcome to the channel. I am Kathy Tate, your licensed realtor here in San Antonio, Texas and surrounding areas. And if you want to know more about the San Antonio, Texas area, subscribe below, tap that notification bell, and you'll be the first to know about the current market here in San Antonio, Texas. As I mentioned, we're taking you on a property tour today of a home I just listed in Cibolo Canyons. This is a 2-story home with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, and is located in a gated community. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information on different areas of San Antonio. If you're looking to buy or to sell within San Antonio, Texas or surrounding areas, I'd be delighted to assist you. Just give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, all in the description below, and I'm happy to assist you with your home buying or your home selling needs.